People feel they do not have enough money to invest, but did you know that you may begin investing with as little as $500? Yes, $500 isn't a ton of money, but it's more than enough to get things started. You don't have to be rich to get your foot in the door when it comes to investing. Learning how to invest $500 can help you put your money to work and start developing real wealth. Hey new investors, welcome to the channel. My name is Isaac and my goal is to increase your financial health and literacy one video at a time. Today's video is all about tips on how to invest and make your money off of $500 of saving. Even if you start small, learning how to invest and increase your money is the best thing you can do for your financial future. And the reality is that the sooner you begin investing your money, the better. So are you ready to invest? Let's get this party started. If you aren't currently saving for retirement, or if you are but not as much as you'd want, an individual retirement account is an ideal place to put your money. Because IRAs are expressly designed for retirement, you receive tax benefits for contributing. There are two major types. A typical IRA provides an immediate tax break, but you must pay taxes when you withdraw your money in retirement. A Roth IRA now provides no tax benefits but allows you to withdraw funds tax-free in retirement. Contribution and distribution regulations apply to both accounts. You can open an IRA with the help of any online broker or robo-advisor. The procedure takes less than 15 minutes and is usually completed entirely online. Need a safe location to put your emergency cash or save for a short-term goal? A CD is a secure method to invest $500. Deposit certificates are one of the safest investment options available since you obtain a promising return on your investment in the form of interest paid to you depending on the original deposit arrangement you join, regardless of what happens in the market. Your money is safe and is also FDIC protected. It's crucial to remember that CD interest rates are just slightly higher than savings account rates, which are low but are on the rise. Through fractional share investment, $500 may go a long way towards constructing a diversified stock portfolio. Previously, if you wanted to acquire shares in a major corporation, it would normally cost hundreds to even thousands of dollars for each share. That implies one or two FANG stocks would devour your whole $500 investment. However, with fractional shares, you may purchase a little portion of a share for as low as $1 to $5 per stock. While it may not appear to be much at first look, these fractional shares have several advantages. They may help you buy only what you can afford, earn compound interest over the long-term investment cycle, and provide diversification within your portfolio. Some of my favorite fractional share stockbrokers and investment applications are Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Robinhood, and WeBull. You can try these applications or meet face-to-face with an investment broker. Anything that can get you investing is beneficial. Now, a bond is a fixed income investment in which you lend money to a government or company, and in exchange, the bond issuer pays you the loan and periodic interest payments. The corporate or government organization refunds your primary investment when the bond matures. Bonds are less popular in investment discussions than stocks because they have lower returns historically and are less volatile. In other words, many investors find bonds dull. Bonds, in truth, are a crucial component of a well-diversified portfolio. Bonds have a place in your portfolio because of the qualities that make them appear less appealing to investors. While bonds may not have the same historical returns as stocks, they are less volatile, which means you are less likely to lose money, making them useful for capital preservation. Another advantage of bond investing is that it produces stable income. While some equities offer dividends, capital gains are typically the only way to profit. However, you will get monthly interest payments for the bond's duration with bond investment. Bonds can be purchased in various methods, including directly from the US Treasury Department or through your brokerage account. Debt repayment, such as credit card debt repayment, may appear tedious, but it may be a wise first step in your financial path before saving and opening an investing account. Debt may be costly. Assume you have a $1,000 credit card bill and an 18% interest rate, making the minimum monthly payment of interest and 1% of the debt would take 113 months and $923 of interest to pay off. However, if you pay $500 off immediately, it will take about 40 months to pay off the remaining $500 and you'll pay $198 in interest. The $500 you spend towards debt repayment will save you $725 in interest. Paying off credit card debt and other obligations might free up funds for savings accounts or investments. Hey, if you're thinking about making regular contributions to your portfolio, you're already making solid decisions. But when it comes to asset budget, you might want to explore expert assistance. A financial advisor can help you develop and maintain a portfolio that suits your unique goals. It does not have to be difficult to find a financial counselor. Some applications and brokers offer a free first service that connects you with the ideas of investments. Get started now if you're ready to locate an advisor who can help you reach your financial objectives. How much money will you make from your investing strategy? Whether you have $500 a month or only $15, any money will build up over time. You just have to be consistent. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the information, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Also, click the bell icon to receive a notification about the latest updates. Anyways, I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Peace.